Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to share with you guys the amazing health benefits of turmeric. So here is the turmeric I use. It is from Natives Organic. This is what it looks like. It is a beautiful orangey powder color. That's what it looks like. Just please be careful. This does stain countertops. It stains your hands. So that's why I love the powder, because you could just take a spoon, scoop it out, and put it right into your smoothie. With the turmeric root, it stains everything. Even if you cut it on a counter or a cutting board, it's going to stain everything. So I'll leave the description, the link below where I got this. Okay, so I just want to go over the my top 10 tips of what this does. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, it's anti-inflammatory and it can help relieve symptoms of arthritis. Number 2, it prevents and treats cancer. Number 3, it lowers your risk of heart disease. Number 4, it prevents Alzheimer's and improves your memory. Number 5, it promotes youthful and radiant skin. It fights fine lines and wrinkles. Number 6, it protects brain cells by binding to and dissolving abnormal proteins. Number 7, it boosts your immune system. Number 8, it helps combat depression. Number 9, it detoxifies the liver. Number 10, it promotes a longer lifespan and helps with the aging process. So give this stuff a try. It's amazing and it's great for, like I said, to protect yourself against cancer prevention and your immune system, and it makes your skin beautiful, and it's great for if anyone has pain, for inflammation. It really helps with that. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. I also want to share with you guys 2 recipes that I make, 2 smoothies that are delicious with turmeric. Okay, so I'll leave the recipes in the description, but I also want to tell you guys what I put in it. Okay, so the first smoothie I make is with a frozen banana, a half a cup of frozen pineapple, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and that's it. You just blend it all up in the blender and it comes out this beautiful orangey color. After you're done, top it with a little bit of cinnamon and some hemp seeds. It's delicious. Okay, the second smoothie I make is my kale smoothie. I don't know if you guys have seen my last video that I posted. I made a kale smoothie and I added a teaspoon of this. You can only use a teaspoon in the kale, because if you use a little bit more than a teaspoon, it does not taste good. So let me also give you guys that recipe. It's 1 cup of kale, organic frozen kale. It's 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 scoop of the vanilla sunwarrior protein powder. I'll also leave that in the description where I got that. And that is it. You just blend it. Make sure you blend the kale really well until it's smooth, because if you don't, it comes out like very thick. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this, and let me know what you thought about the smoothie if you try it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss another video from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing weekend. Bye.